FitOn full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the program and related products are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. FitOn is a free fitness app that offers high-quality workouts led by celebrity trainers, making it one of the best no-cost options for at-home fitness. It includes a wide variety of workout categories such as HIIT, strength training, yoga, Pilates, dance, and even guided meditations. The app is designed for all fitness levels, allowing users to choose workouts based on intensity, duration, and specific fitness goals. With no equipment required for most workouts, it's perfect for home training or working out on the go. One of FitOn's biggest strengths is that it provides premium quality workouts for free. Unlike many other fitness apps that lock the best features behind a paywall, FitOn allows users to access full-length workouts without requiring a subscription. The app also offers real-time leaderboards, social workout challenges, and the ability to work out with friends, adding a motivational and interactive element. Additionally, the variety of workouts ensures that users won't get bored, and new content is frequently added to keep things fresh. Another key advantage is the celebrity trainer lineup. FitOn features well-known fitness experts, including celebrity trainers like Jeanette Jenkins and Jonathan Van Ness, providing expert-level guidance without the cost of a personal trainer. The workouts are well-structured, easy to follow, and designed for all fitness levels, making it accessible for beginners while still challenging for more advanced users. However, there are some downsides. While the free version offers a lot, FitOn does have a premium membership that unlocks meal plans, personalized fitness plans, and offline downloads, which may be disappointing for users who want those features without paying. Another limitation is that the app focuses more on body weight and minimal equipment workouts, so those looking for heavyweight training programs might not find it as useful. Additionally, some users report occasional app glitches, though these are generally minor. Overall, FitOn is one of the best free fitness apps available, offering high-quality workouts, expert trainers, and strong community engagement. It's perfect for anyone looking for an effective, no-cost way to stay fit. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to get started.